is Kartike, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Kartike, introduce yourself.
Okay, myself Kartikeya Tanneru. I am from Nellore. I am pursuing BCA in Krishnayatna Degree College under
Okay,
Vikramasingapur University near to Nellore. My hobbies are
okay,
playing cricket, reading books, learning new things day to day life, le- improving my acting skills whenever I was in free time.
okay,
My strengths are I will never stop until I finish my work before the deadline. I am self motivated worker. I am a team
okay.
worker. That's it.
Yes. Okay, that's great.
Thank
So,
you.
Kartike, from where have you done your schooling?
Yeah, I did my schooling in my hometown in Narayana English Medium School.
Okay, okay, that's good. So, you said that you like cricket. So, who's your favorite player?
Virat Kohli.
Okay, even I like him very much.
Yes,
He is a great player.
yes, yes,
Okay, so you also like to read books, yes?
yes, yes.
Okay, so tell me about that one book which you like the most, or have you read recently any book?
Yeah, the truth can never be lie. That's like I learned that book before.
Okay,
Before 1 week, I learned that what is truth and all those things. Yeah,
okay,
after reading that, I have a best knowledge on have a best knowledge what I can do whenever I was in challenges, what I can do. That's things
yes,
I learned.
yes,
It's very useful to for everyone.
yes. Okay, right. So, according to me, books are like our best friends, right? What do you think?
Yes.
They
According to
provide
me,
us with knowledge also, and we never get bored whenever we read them, right? What are your views? What do you think about the importance of books?
yeah, we learn the life, the world of life. Whenever I was in, whenever we go to alone in a, into world, into
Yes,
city or like that, from hometown to city,
yes,
we 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 think we learned all those things in book in childhood days what things are happen in cities so easily to learn in book
yes,
whatever we need.
yes,
Are
all
you
right.
understand what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm able
Yeah.
to understand everything.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so if I may ask, why did you join Inktalki?
Yeah, I improve my communication skills
Yes,
for if you want to learn, if I learned English, I want to speak with anyone in our world.
yes,
That's why
okay,
I'm.
okay,
That's why I choose it this.
okay,
And if you learn English, you maintain a good personality wherever you go.
okay, yes,
So
right,
more flexibility as comes in. We can
yes,
speak what we don't need. I know I cannot to afraid of not afraid fear about what saying about me. That's think.
yes, yes. So I'm going to ask you now that what is the importance of English according to you? I mean, the world in which we live today, what is the significance of learning English? Why should we learn English? What are your views?
Yeah, when if a in top MNCs are you using English language for communicating with them with clients? Those we
Yes,
need English to to tell what I am saying, what he thinks, that what I thinks to say them like that,
yes,
and we can teach them who is not well in English. We
yes,
we act as a English tutor like that, and we can
yes,
manage manage things whenever we not saying we not we, we don't need that one we don't need not
relax, relax, no problem. Take
yeah
your time, no problem.
we don't know what about saying. We can easily to manage to
Yes, right. We can manage the things, right?
English, English language like that. We can easily to manage, and we maintain a good personality. That's it.
Okay. Okay, right. So you have said very nice things that we can have a good personality also, we can manage the things also. Very well said. Okay, another thing is, I would like to ask you, what is your aim in life? Like, we all have some dreams, we have some goals to achieve, we want our needs to be fulfilled, some dreams, some goals. So, what is your dream or goal which you need to be fulfilled?
Yeah, my actually in my childhood days, I want to become a cricketer.
Okay,
All these cricketers we can see. I want to be a cricketer like that. I joined the academy some days, but due to health
okay,
issues, I didn't
nice.
stopped. But now I have a aim to ha- be happily with my family,
Okay,
happily with my family until my last breath.
okay,
And I want to get a job for settle life,
yes,
and for my and till the last breath, my last breath, I will give one thing to India.
okay.
I want to give one thing to India. That's a
And
aim
what
to
is
me.
that?
Yeah, cricketer like that. I want to be a cricketer, make a cricketer.
Okay. So you want to be a cricketer.
I am not want to be cricketer. I make a cricketer. I want
Okay,
to be a,
you want to teach someone,
yes,
like
yes, yes.
coaching.
Yeah. Like
Okay,
that
okay, okay.
in my family or like that, friends or relatives like that.
Okay. That's a very good thing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So first, you want that you should have a good job, and then you want to teach someone cricket, right?
As
Okay.
and I want to become an actor. That's my passion. That's my passion.
Okay. So your
I
passion
will,
is acting as well.
yeah. I will do multiple things in day to day life. I will go to college in morning, and then I will
Yes.
come to home and I did some reels to relay Instagram, and I did
Okay, you
for
make reels as well. That's very nice.
yes,
You're
yes.
multi-talented. That means very good.
But my followers is not that much because I don't know. But I have a hope we'll get a much followers in future.
Yes, for sure.
I
You will
did no,
definitely get followers. You have that
yes,
passion and just
yes,
keep working hard
yes,
because you
yes,
never know. Life
yes,
has
yes.
many things to offer. We should always keep doing our work with passion. So I wish you all the best and I
Yes,
want
thanks.
you to become famous one day and you'll definitely
I'm
become.
not a famous like that. I want to be a all of them like saying me as a good actor.
Yes.
You
Okay.
have a good acting skills like that. So
Yes.
in my starting days, whenever I started acting,
Yes.
some people are scolding me and telling me you don't need to you don't
That
this is
happened. Yes, I can
yeah,
understand.
yeah, you understand what I'm saying. But now
Yes.
they're praising me. You did a wonderful job now, Vani.
Okay. That's a very good thing.
Yeah,
So the
that's a great thing.
people who used to criticize you and now they are saying that you are a very good actor.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So that is a
I
very
feel
good
that
thing.
yeah, things
Yes.
calmly
Yes,
do
please tell
like
me.
that.
Yes.
Yeah, this thing I will learn from Virat Kohli.
Hmm. So you
He
are
said
inspired from him.
he said in interview. That's why I feel I don't need all those things. I will concentrate on my acting. I will do day to
Yes.
day life improving. What I need to improve their skills. I did all these things, but now I did. I I,
Okay.
I did. they are praising me. I am very happy. So, where are you from?
I'm from Punjab.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. What about Punjab? There is a some places are there.
Yes,
I
there are
know.
many places, but
No.
first, I would like to ask you, just tell me something about your city.
Yeah,
How's the weather there, the food items that we should try, or places to visit?
yeah. Okay. My my hometown is Buchiredpalam.
Hmm.
My my city is Nellore, near to Buchiredpalam. So in
Okay.
my Nellore, there is a Krishnapatnam port is there. One of the best port in our India. It's the longest,
Okay.
and I have a fish curry. It's a very famous in our India. Nellore fish
Yes.
curry.
Okay. Okay.
It's very tasty to eat.
Okay.
I think you will eat in future. You will be eating.
Okay.
I hope that, and and the weather is very good. Recently, there is a floods are came. So many buildings are damaged. So
Yes.
all those things are happened before 1 week back.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, I did a demo session before day before yesterday. Day before
Okay.
yesterday,
Okay.
With Mayank Sharma.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
At Inktalki only you had that session?
yes, I informed you. Then we Ingitaki provided another session because of the videos are not clearly face cut is not okay. That's why reagain
Okay.
to
Okay.
they
Okay.
actually I will big thanks to the Ingitaki because they said before day before yesterday you will attend the session attend the session on that day.
Okay.
Please provide the but there is a technical issue in my hometown. There is no internet in my hometown due to floods. So that's why I'm
Okay.
not
Okay.
able to interact with them. So
Okay. So because
so
of technical issues, network issues, you
uh,
were not able to interact with
yeah,
them. Okay.
yesterday also there is a technical issue, but today is very fine. That's why
Hmm.
I joined this. Actually, I will big
Okay.
thanks to Nitaki and patience.
That's a very good thing that you're liking this website and the tutors as well. I hope.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
As
Kartikeya, just tell
you,
me.
you are
Yes,
doing a good
yes.
job. You are doing a good
Thank you
job.
so
You're doing a
much.
good job.
Thank you so much. So Kartikeya, tell me that who is in your family who supports you the most, who encourages you, motivates you to do all of your things in life?
Yeah, dad, mom, brother.
Okay, both they are very supportive. Okay. I also
But
think that the role of parents is
they are not saying me. They are not saying me. They are not told me. But I recognize that what he given freedom to me. My father is given to freedom to me.
yes.
Uh,
Okay.
so and helping me. And when I was in alone, I want to start. I started a reels. My mother was helped me and
Okay, that's great. Okay,
and
that's
my
very
elder brother
nice.
was, yeah, clearing my doubts, all those things. Yeah,
Okay.
it's very good.
I also think that the role of parents is the greatest in our life. We all are
Yes,
nothing without our parents,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay,
Not,
Kartike.
we cannot
Yes, yes.
judge, them because they are parents. They are saying
Yes.
only good to me.
Yes,
But
yes.
that's why I will keep that mind. I they are parents are scolded me. So I recognize that there is a mistake happened. Let's say what is
Yes.
mistake happened, then we will clear that task.
Yes. Yes, parents always do whatever is best for their children. They
Yeah,
they are our best well-wishers, right?
yes, yeah. My English is good or not?
Yes, you are able to speak in a very good way.